Throughout the American history, the life of the highest leaders has put at risk by those who seeking to subvert democracy. For the early days of the republic to modern era, presidential assassination attempts have cast a dark shadow over nation's political landscape, leaving a dark mark on the psyche of the American people. In this video, we will dive into the history of presidential assassinations attempts in United States, exploring the motivations behind these heinous acts and profound consequences they have on the American society. The first assassination attempt on the US president occurred in 1804 when the Vice President Edmund Burr challenged President Thomas Jefferson to a duel. Although the duel did not end with Jefferson's death, it sets a dangerous precedent for future conflicts between political rivals. In 1835, President Andrew Jackson narrowly escaped an assassination attempt at the Capitol building. Richard Lawrence, a mentally disturbed house painter, fired two pistols at Jackson but missed both times. Jackson then famously pursued Lawrence with his cane, shouting, "The villain is trying to kill me." The most infamous presidential assassination in the history of America occurred on April 14, 1865, when the President Abraham Lincoln was shot dead by the actor John Wilkes Booth at the Ford Theater in the Washington, D.C. booth. A Confederate sympathizer was motivated by his belief that the Lincoln was destroying the Union. Lincoln's death set a shock wave throughout the nation and had a profound impact on the course of the Civil War. In 1901, President William McKinley was assassinated by the Leon Consuelo, an architect seeking to promote social revolution. Consuelo shot McKinley at the Pan American Exposition in Buffalo, New York. McKinley died 8 days later. His wounds on the most of the memorable and the tragical presidential assassination occurred on November 22, 1963, when the President John F. Kennedy was shot down and killed in Texas. Andrew Oxon, the former U.S. Marine, is thought to be involved in it. His motives remain unclear, and the conspiracy theories persisted after decades. Following the assassination of the President Kennedy, the security measures for the president was increased. Several assassination attempts have been occurred in the decades since. In 1975, President Ford was shot twice by Sarah John Moore, a member of the radical group Civilian Liberation Army. Ford was injured in neither attempt. In 1981, President Reagan was shot and wounded by John Hecklin, a mentally disturbed young man obsessed with the actress Jodie Foster. Reagan survived the attack but hospitalized for several weeks. In 1995, President Bill Clinton was targeted an assassination plot by the anti-government extremists. The plot was foiled before any attempt on Clinton's life could be made. The motivations behind the president assassination attempts were very wide, but some common themes emerged. These include political extremism. Many assassins have been politically motivated by strong political beliefs, either to remove the tenant or to further an ideological cause. Personal grief. Some of the assassins have motivated by the personal grief against the president, such as the feeling of betrayal or injustice. Mental illness. Several assassins has been diagnosed with a mental illness which may have been played an important role in the decision to commit violence. Presidential assassination attempts have profound consequences for the American society and the nation political system. These consequences includes increased security. The threat of assassination has led to implication of stricter security measures for presidents and other high-profile ranking officers. Eroded trust. Assassination attempts has eroded trust in the government and made the public more fearful of the political violence. Political polarization. The threat of violence has been contributed to the political polarization and made it more difficult for the politician to reach consensus or compromise. The history of presidential assassination attempts in the United States is a reminder of the attacks on the democracy, and it needed to be protected, and our leaders should be protected by understanding the motivations behind these heinous acts and the consequences they had. Our society, we have to work together to prevent future targets, to ensure the society and our nation should be safe, especially after the Trumps who has been targeted and injured. More patience and tolerance is needed, so that there can be no political hardcore differences, so that can be society can be prevail. And but still Americans have to be more conscious, because still they have to work on their protection and security.